Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to set up your Ubisoft two-step verification. Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your two-step verification in Ubisoft. This is very useful when you don't want any other people using your account, or if you don't want any other people or person just trying to hack your account to get all your games or something, and you don't want to lose your account. This video is for you. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Ubisoft Connect. Once you open up your Ubisoft Connect, click on the arrow right here. After clicking on the arrow right there, just go right here and click on Account Management. After clicking on Account Management, you will see right here Security and click on Security. There you go. As you can see, you will see a two-step verification not activated. You see right there, it's not activated. There. To activate it, click this link right here, account ubisoft.com security settings, and it will redirect you to a browser right here in the Ubisoft account. There you go. And then continue. And once you're here, click on activate. So once you activate it, you will reach a higher level of security. There you go. So we're gonna add an extra layer of security, then choose our Gmail. Then the code will be, let's see what our code will be. I'm looking at my phone, and the code is 582 896. Then submit. There you go, guys. So you just recovery code to Clendal. If you lose your access to your email address, you use them to recover to access your account. The view code. So there you go. As you can see, here is the code right there. These are the code. Before you leave, here is the code. So you just need to copy the code. So there you go, just copy those code and then just save it somewhere in your, for example, your save it in Messenger or your Gmail. So you won't lose the code and you will still have access to the Ubisoft Connect. Another way to do that is by your phone itself. So go to a browser, then click on here, then type in Ubisoft. After typing on Ubisoft, click on here right here, Ubisoft account. There you go. Now it's loading. Then continue. There you go. Once you're here, click on security. After clicking on security, as you can see, this is the two-step verification. Now you can also change it into authenticator app. So what you'll need to do, just click on this, then click on change. After clicking on change, click on send. So verify your identity. So let's send that there. There you go. Now we'll have to wait for the code. Hmm. And there you go. The code is right here. So you're gonna put in 745918 and click on submit. And there you go. Your number will be used to receive backup codes in the event of losing access to your authenticator app. So there we go. We're gonna put our number for now because it's 63 because I am in the Philippines, so we're using Filipino number. So our number is this. So I'm just gonna cover this up. And there you go. We need to wait for the verification code. Then type in the code that is given to you. An email with a link to activate two-step verification code will be sent to your address. Click on send. Then got it. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you liked the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.